So this is the phone wallet and this is how it works. To stick it to your surface, simply peel this 3M tape off and stick it like this. Make sure you apply a lot of pressure for at least 10 seconds to make sure the wallet sticks properly. If you change your mind and you want to stick it to another surface, simply peel this off like this and stick it again. Always making sure you apply a lot of pressure for at least 10 seconds. If you have a silicone case, it won't work, but other than that, you can stick it to pretty much any other surface. If you have an iPhone 8 or above, those have a glass back. That glass is very special, and that's why we include this enhanced sticky surface. So you basically put this on and then put this on top of the enhanced sticky surface.